having any suspended account, this is the easiest way to get it back. This is the easiest way. Just read the write-up. We have suspended the account, 170 days left to appear, or we will permanently disable the account. So you're going to appear for this, for you to get this account back. So you are going to appear. See what you will do. See what you will do. You are going to press this appear down here. Press on it. Press on it. See, lastly, record a video of yourself to make sure that you are a real person. We need you to record a video selfie. We will ask you to remove your head during the recording to help us capture your face at different angles. You see it? So you are going to record your face for you to get your account back. So you are going to record your face. Press record down here. See it? So read the write-up down here. This is take a video selfie. We will need a short video of you turning your head in different directions. Learn more about how we use your video. See it? Just tips for a good selfie. Use a well-lit areas. You are going to use a good area. If you want to get it, use a good area. Use a good area. Hold your phone at eye level. You are going to set your phone so that your phone will stand and face your face directly. It will not going to bend, or it's not going to bend one side. So you are going to hold your phone permanently. You're going to hold your phone straight so that it will not shake. Follow the instructions on the screen. You are going to start selfie now. So you are going to press start, which is this one. Press on that start. Enable access to your camera so that you can record a video selfie. You are going to allow our camera to access this Facebook. So you are going to press allow, which is this one. Press while using the app. You see it? Our face is here. So you're going to keep your head. Submitted your video selfie. Thank you for complete these steps. Submit this video to help us confirm that you are a real person. You see it is not that hard. It's not that hard. You see it. You are going to get your Facebook back. It's not that hard. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and also share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend. It's not hard. Submit your video selfie. Thank you for complete these steps. You see, submit this video to help us confirm that you are a real person. You see it. So you are going to press submit. It's not that hard. Let's press submit. Uploading your information. This could take a few minutes. You see it. Let's wait for it. Identity confirmed in progress. We will actually review your information within 48 hours. 48 hours is almost 2 days. You see it. We will send you a notification once we made a decision. You see it. It's not that much difficult to get. It's not that much difficult to get. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also share the video to your friends. I made the video to help you guys to get your account back. So don't forget to subscribe and also share the video. So press finish. Then you press your finish. It's not that much. Just submit it and press finish. Then they will take you back. It's not that hard. Thank you all. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. One love, one heart.